You ever heard these reports come out that are like, a note from Citibank says that the Kiwi will continue to fall against the US dollar, right? And have you ever thought about those things and be like, well, how do I act on that information? You know, what about the other major banks? Does JP Morgan agree or disagree with Citibank, right? And so we had the same question. And so we built something out for you guys that I think will be a lot more actionable and helpful than just a note from this bank or a note from that bank.
And so this is inside our macro snapshot indicator, and you can see the strength and weakness of all the currencies, but we also have a little tab here that says research. You click here and you scroll down, and here's a list of all the major banks. So you can see, what do all the major banks think right now of the pound, for example? Well, you can go down and say, here's a summary: negative, Goldman Sachs, negative, ING, negative, Unicredit, neutral, you can see right there, Citibank, negative, HSBC, negative, right? And so we wanted to compile all this for you guys. Just at a glance, you're able to really easily see all the bank research and add it to your analysis. And then maybe you combine it with one of our other indicators over here, and you look at positioning, and you say, this is interesting. I wonder how the pound is doing from a seasonal perspective. You scroll down here, and you see, okay, pound, seasonality, here's a binary. Wow, in August, 80% of the time, over 10-year, 7-year, 5-year, 3-year, the pound falls, right? And then it's like, okay, well, maybe we want to combine and find some entry points to short the pound. We go over here to our volatility tracker and we ask the options market and we say, give me some levels to short the pound from. Click on pound dollar here, and here's some great levels derived from implied volatility the options market's giving us to short the pound dollar. If you want any of this, guys, there should be a link below and you can pick up a copy of some of these indicators.